How to download YouTube videos. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and in today's video we will see how we can download YouTube videos. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to launch the YouTube application and make sure to log in with your account. Once you're logged in, now you have to navigate to that specific video that you wish to download for free in your. Now for example, I want to download this video right here. So what you have to do is tap on the three dot on that video. You will have this menu box. So from there, tap on download video. It might take some time to download your video depending upon your internet connection. And here it's already downloaded. Now to go to see your downloads, tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner, scroll down a bit and then go to downloads. There you can see all the downloaded videos in your account. So that's how you download video in YouTube, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.